Utilization of Operable Windows in Education Facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the uses and benefits of operable windows in schools and educational facilities, including natural ventilation and the need for forced entry testing to address security concerns. One time, operable windows were the main means of ventilation in schools. As HVAC became more affordable, windows tended to be eliminated. Today, we realize the benefits of expanded natural light and ventilation, so windows are more often now a part of the expanded glazed area on schools. Since these could provide access, security becomes a concern. Windows tested in accordance with NAF 17 go through prescribed forced entry testing. If you want to increase the level of security, here are additional forced entry tests that you could specify in a project. These are intended to test how the system will hold up to an attack from someone armed with various tools trying to beat their way through. With today's hardware options, operable vents do not need to be located where people can reach them. There's a wide range of options for remote operators. These operators typically are a rod that connects multiple operable units together, and they can be rotated by pulling a chain or by a mechanical switch, which opens and closes the vents. Mechanical operators can also be linked to the building's HVAC system to utilize natural ventilation as temperature allows. In these photographs, you'll see rows of concealed operable windows that are above where someone could reach them to open them manually. So these are hooked to the HVAC system. The building itself opens and closes the windows as is appropriate. Where 20 years ago you did not find many operable windows on schools, we now have many reasons to include them in school construction. Most sustainability rating systems acknowledge the benefits of natural ventilation and encourage their utilization. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.